In today's Animal Jam video, I'm going to show you how to make a second floor in a non-member den, using only non-member items. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to buy a lot of tiki tables from Jam Mart Furniture, and then you're going to place them in a line. Then you're going to use something that looks kind of like stairs. I'm using the couches that are in the store as well. And you just place them like that, and then you can cover the sides with stone walls, but you can also cover them with other things that might cover the tiki sides. And this is what it looks like once you've decorated it and made it look nice.